People can be amazing when they're facing natural disasters and emergencies. In our new book, New Media in Times of Crisis, we focus on three main things that are increasingly relevant considering we live in such uncertain times. The first thing we focus on is really this notion of new media and how it's changed how we can organize during times of emergencies and disasters. You'll hear one chapter about wireless emergency alerts. Have you ever heard that sound on your mobile phone? Well, that's a WEA, a wireless emergency alert. The second main focus area that we wanted to accomplish with our book is to make it as interdisciplinary as possible. So what we've done here is we've included the research from people who are from very different academic fields. So for example, we have a chapter on workplace safety from a communication scholar. And then we also have a chapter on evacuations, where we talk about it in a lot of depth, and it's from a civil engineering perspective. Finally, we include the voices of crisis responders. You'll get to hear from one campus crisis communicator in one of our chapters, who really talks about how social media has changed the way that you can communicate about these types of emergencies. You'll also get to hear about firefighters and how they organize because they have to think fast and they have to make sense of constantly changing conditions. And then finally, we have a lot of work on teamwork that's in this book. Unfortunately, crises, disasters, and emergencies aren't going away. We wrote this book to get people thinking about the promising possibilities of the future.